In this video, I show you how to use and maintain a push reel mower. I use the Scott's Classic push reel mower. It's very easy to use. You simply push it over your lawn and the wheels make your cutting reel spin, and as grass gets caught in between the spinning reel and the horizontal cutting bar, it gets cut like a pair of scissors very cleanly. I usually make 2 passes. For the first pass, I'm going horizontally on my lawn back and forth, making sure that my wheels overlap with the prior wheel marks to make sure that I get a clean cut. Then on the second pass, I will go back and forth vertically. The second pass will be easier because the grass has already been cut once. When the lawn is really long, I may go on a third pass again over the lawn. The lawnmower has an adjustable cutting height with the 2 levers next to the rear wheels. I recommend keeping your cutting height as high as possible, 2 to 3 inches. This allows for more photosynthesis, shades the soil, leads to deeper root structures and healthier plants. So you need less water and less fertilizer. I never use pesticide or herbicide on my lawn, so I practice organic lawn care. They recommend that you adjust the height to cut approximately 1/3 of your leaf for each mowing to avoid large clippings and avoid scalping the lawn. So you can check that by checking your clippings. This will help you time your mowings. I try to mow my lawn once a week in the summer and every 10 to 14 days if it's not the summer. This mower allows you to leave all the clippings on the lawn. These grass and clover clippings return important nutrients such as nitrogen to feed your lawn. Grass clippings may bunch up on your cutting bar. Just grab them and spread them around your lawn with your hands. Mow when the grass is relatively dry so that the grass is easier to cut and the clippings don't clump up. The pros of this lawnmower, it's easy to use and maintain. No gasoline, no oil, and no exhaust. You simply push it and burn calories in the process. It's so quiet you can use it anytime, early in the mornings or late in the evenings. The cons are that it may take too long for larger lawns. It may take too long for larger lawns. The mower will not work well when the grass is too wet, as the clippings will clump up and the wheels may slip. The mower will also not work well with grass that is way too long, because the mower will just roll over those leaves instead of cutting them. So you need to mow weekly. To maintain the mower, it's very easy. You need a rag and some old cooking oil. First, use the rag to wipe off the grass, dirt, and moisture. You can wash it down with water and a hose, but that may cause rust. Then you simply use the rag to spread the oil on the cutting surfaces of the cutting bar and the cutting reel. Be careful not to cut yourself. I try to spin the reel away from the cutting bar. You may need to periodically sharpen the mower, and I'll share a video of that in the comments. My mower is about 10 years old and it still works very well. Here's the lawn before I started to mow, and here's the lawn after. This is the lawn. I hope you like this video. This is part of my organic lawn care playlist, which you might enjoy. If any of you use a mower like this, please share your comments below. And please share this video with anyone who might be interested in a mower like this. Thank you.